video, guys. This is just a video of me talking about a product that I bought. Just wanted to share with you, there's such a great deal that I got and explain throughout the video. I've not really done one of these sort of videos in a while, in like months really, so I thought, why not do it? So if you haven't already guessed, we're looking at the Auto Finesse Complete Protection Kit. This one is from Halfords. As you can see, it says exclusive to Halfords. And as you might know already, Halfords have got a deal on at the moment where they have, like, I can't remember the percentage, but they have I think about 20% or whatever off of all Auto Finesse products. It's been going on for a while, so I thought I'd head down there and grab one of these. So what I'm going to do is just, I'm already unstuck, open up the product and go step by step on what we get. So the first thing you can see, so we get a cloth, like a polishing cloth. Oh, we get two of these. Two polishing cloths, not too bad. Let's see what else we get. A polish applicator. Oh, two of them. So you've got some crack on it. I'll sort it out in a sec. Look at that, a clay bar. So as you can tell, it's a pretty decent size. I've not got the smallest hands in the world. You can see it's like nearly the size of my hand. So it's pretty thick, so that's going to last quite a while as well. I like that. So Auto Finesse Glide. So this is obviously a lubricant for the clay bar, so they work together. Got the shampoo, so the car shampoo, the Auto Finesse one. You can see again, all pretty big sizes. What mil were they? 500ml bottles. So the Glide is the same, I believe. Yeah, 500ml. So again, just in that, you've got like a good selection of products already. So the next things we've got, we do these two together. It's the last two products, and it's like polishes. You can see some of the Auto Finesse polish range. I have already got a big one of them somewhere. Where is it? I think it might be in the car. But yeah, I've got a big one of those. But these are absolutely brilliant. I've never tried this one. These are a little bit smaller. These are 250ml bottles, but you don't really need a lot. Like I've got like one this size of the triple, and it's lasted me like ages, and I'm literally probably only down to about there, and I've done the car about 2 or 3 times. You don't need much at all, but yeah, really great products. So we're going to have a quick run through of what we've got in this. So we've got two like microfiber polishing cloths, 2 applicators, a massive clay bar, Auto Finesse Glide clay, like the clay bar lube, some car shampoo, the Auto Finesse obviously, and then the polishing kits. Pretty decent kit, if I say so myself. So I'm going to quickly just speak about the cost of this. So originally on the label in Halfords, it's £52 for all this kit, which again itself is not too bad, because I'm sure if you buy this all individually it's going to come more to that off like Auto Finesse website. But guys, I got this in a deal, and I got it for all this for £25. If you haven't already, head down to Halfords and get yourself one. They do another kit as well with like the glisten and stuff like that in, so I think that's about £20, maybe about the same. But I've already got all that stuff, so I've got the protection kit and all that for £25, another good product as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Something, like I say, a little bit different. We'll see the products behind us. Looks pretty cool on the shelf. I just want to say a massive thank you again for all the support on the channel, as always. I know videos have been a little bit wobbly at the moment, but that's just the pure fact of working solid, trying to get money to do stuff to the ST and stuff like that. But guys, if you did enjoy the video, please ensure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And of course, I never forgot, if you haven't already, head over to the Because Race Car box and use the code LR180 and you'll get 10% off your first box from Because Race Car box. Again, I've explained it what it is. It's basically a loot box with different car care products. Monthly subscription, use LR180 to get yourself 10% off.